dear students, I am Venkat. I am here to explain a concept in algebraic expressions which is linear equations in one variable. This is in your 8th class mathematics chapter 2. So, before learning the concept of linear equations in one variable, we must learn about the concept of algebraic expressions and monomials, binomials, multinomials and degree of the expressions and equations also. Okay?
3.
Algebraic expressions. What is an algebraic expression? So, we must know the definition of algebraic expression. Okay? An algebraic expression is an expression which having variables and constants in its terms. Variables, constants in its terms. Okay? What is variables? So, variables are, we are learning the alphabets. Okay? The letters in alphabets A, B, C and so on X, Y, Z are called variables. Instead to find any value, we have to write the alphabets A, B, C or X, Y, Z in that. And what are constants? Constants are, generally we know that the numerals 3, 5, minus 2, 22 by 7 are called constants. Okay?
3.
In algebraic expressions, what is term? Term is a combination of variables and constants. Is a combination of variables and constants. Look at this. For example, 5x. 5x is a term which is combination of 5 is constant and x is variable. So 5x is a term and x square is also another term. And here minus 2x cube is also a term. And here 4x square plus 3x plus 2. Here there is 3 terms. It is 1 and 2 and 3. 3 terms. Okay. Look another example. Look at here. It is 3x plus 5. So it is an expression. 3x plus 5. In this one, look at the 3x. In this 3x, 3 is known as quotient. 3 is called quotient. And x is called variable. X is called variable. And 5 is called constant. Okay, x plus 5 is an algebraic expression which contains quotient of x is 3 and x is a variable and 5 is a constant. Understand? After learning the concept of term, try to learn the concept of monomial, binomial, trinomial and multinomials. Okay. So before that, an algebraic expression contains terms. So an algebraic expression contains only one term. Only one term is known as monomial. Look at the example. X, it is a single term. So it is a monomial. Minus 5x cube. Here, and this one is also a term. So it is also monomial. Minus 2 by 3 x, y, z. There is no operation plus or minus in between this. So it is also a single term. It is also a single term. So it is also known as monomial. Okay. After that, binomial. An algebraic expression contains two terms. Two terms is known as binomial. So look at the example. X plus 5. Here x is a term and 5 is also another term. So two terms. So it is a binomial. And here look, 2x square is a term and 3x is also another term. So the expression 2x square plus 3x is also binomial. And here look another one, 3xyz minus 4xy. So 3xyz is a monomial, is a term, and 4xy it is also a term. So two terms. So it is a binomial. After that, trinomial. An algebraic expression contains three terms. Three terms is known as trinomial. Here look, x plus y plus 3. X plus y plus 3. It is a term, it is also another term, and it is also another term. So three terms. So it is a trinomial. And here look, x square plus xy plus y square. So x square is a term, xy is a term, and y square is a term. And this is also trinomial. And x cube plus x square plus x. It contains three terms. So it is also a trinomial. Then what is multinomial? An algebraic expression contains more than three terms. More than three terms is known as multinomial. Look at the example. X to the power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 5. So entire this one is known as multinomial. Okay? Then comes to the concept of degree. Degree of an algebra. Nothing but degree is known as highest power of an expression. Highest power of an expression. Look at the examples. So it is a monomial. Here the term is x. Its degree is the exponent is 1. Exponent is 1. So its degree is 1. Its degree is 1. In the second example, the exponent of x is 2. Here look, 2x square. So its degree is 2. Okay, highest index. After that, look at third example, x cube plus 5x square plus x. In this one, compare. Here the exponent is 3, power is 3. Here 2, and here 1. So highest power means 3. So this is the degree of this expression. 3 is the degree of the given expression. And comes to fourth one. Look at this. So here 5xy. 5xy. So this is the exponent of x is 1 and y is also 1. Okay, it is a monomial. In this monomial, x power is 1 and y power is also 1. Then add both powers. So means degree is 1 plus 1 is 2. Its degree is 2. Okay, observe carefully. In 5xy, x is have index is 1 and y have index is 1. Then add the powers. So 1 plus 1. So degree is 2. Look at another example. 3x square y square z cube. What is the degree? Absolutely right. So adding the powers. Okay. 2 plus 2 plus 3. Therefore, 7 is the degree of the given expression. Okay. Then comes to idea about the equation. Okay. What is the difference between the expression and equation? Look at the example. So 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5 is an expression. Okay. And here x square plus 5x plus 3 is also another expression. Okay, 2x plus 5 is an expression and x square plus 5x plus 3 is also another expression. Let us come to equation. Here 2x plus 5 is equals to 9. So an algebraic expression equals to another algebraic expression of constant. It is known as equation. Equals to. Look at this. Equals to. We using equality sign. Is equal to. So then it is known as an equation. 2x plus 5 is equal to 9 is an equation. Without equality sign, it is an expression. With equality sign, it is known as an equation. Look at another equation. X square plus 5x plus 3 is equals to 0. Is equals to 0 is known as another equation. And look at another one. 3x plus 5 is equals to 2x minus 3. So 3x plus 5 is an algebraic expression and 2x minus 3 is also another algebraic expression. They are equals to here is equal to, using the sign, equality sign, is equal to, then it is known as an equation. Are you clear? Okay?
3.
Look at the equation here. 5a plus 3 is equals to 2a plus 9. In this one, 5a plus 3 is equal to 2a plus 9. In this equation, 5a plus 3 is known as LHS, means left hand side, is equal to key. యువతలో ఉన్న ఈ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ని ఏమని అంటామంటే LHS, లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ అని పిలుస్తాం. 2a plus 9 is known as RHS. సో ఈ ఈక్వాలిటీ సైన్ కి రైట్ సైడ్ ఉన్న దాన్ని RHS, రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ అని పిలుస్తాం. ఈక్వాలిటీ కి యువతల వైపు ఉన్న దాన్నేమో LHS అని, ఈక్వాలిటీ సైన్ కి అవతల వైపు ఉన్న దాన్నేమో RHS అని పిలుస్తాం. ఓకే?
3.
Then comes to the concept of linear equation. What is linear equation? An equation having its degree is 1. An equation having its degree is 1 is called linear equation. ఏదైనా ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ దాని డిగ్రీ కనుక 1 అయితే దాన్ని లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆర్ సింపుల్ ఈక్వేషన్ అని అంటారు. లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆర్ సింపుల్ ఈక్వేషన్ అని పిలుస్తాం. ఓకే, లుక్ ఎట్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్. సో ఇన్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ x plus 3 is equal to 5. X plus 3 is equal to 5. Here the degree of x, the degree of the variable term x is 1. So it is a linear equation. Okay, then comes to second one. 2a minus 4 is equal to 6. Here the variable is a. Its degree is 1. Okay, then it is also linear equation. Then comes to another example. In third example, x plus y is equal to 5. X plus y is equal to 5. In this one, the degree of x is 1 and the degree of y is 1. Okay, the exponent is 1 of x is 1 and y is 1. Then it is also known as, then the degree is 1. So it is known as a linear equation. Okay, here two variables, x and y, two variables. Here one variable, here also one variable, but here two variables. Then comes to another example. Look at this. 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 0. So here three variables, x, y, z are three variables. What is its degree? X power is 1, y power is also 1 and z power is also 1. Okay, so its degree, highest power is its degree. Already we know it. So highest power is 1. So it is also a linear equation. In three variables. Here three variables. Okay.
3.
Then comes to the main concept of our title. What is our title? Linear equations in one variable. Linear equations in one variable. What is linear equation? An equation contains its degrees 1 is known as linear equation in one variable. A linear equation contains only one variable. It is known as linear equation in one variable. Already we know this concept. Look at the example. Here look, 2x plus 5 is equal to 7. It is a linear equation because its degree is 1. So it is a linear equation, and here the variable is x. So only one variable. It contains only one variable. So it is a linear equation in one variable. Then comes to second one. 3y minus 4 is equal to 2y minus 5. Here, what is the variable? Good. This is y. Y is the variable. And it is also a linear equation because its degree is 1. So, it is a linear equation in one variable. Here the variable term is y. Then comes to another one. So, 2 of 3x plus 5 minus 3 of 4x minus 2 is equals to 5 of x plus 3. This entire one, look at this. So here the exponent is 1, here the exponent is 1, and here also the exponent is 1. Then what is its degree? Absolutely right. Its degree is 1. So it is a linear equation. Then what is the variable? Here x, here also x, here also x. So the variable is x, only one variable. It is a linear equation and it contains only one variable. So it is known as a linear equation in one variable. Okay.